Good day everyone, my name is Faith Lalin B. Flores. Today I'm going to perform the English pronunciation The Chaos by Gerald Knowles. Dearest Creator and Creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse sound like corpse, horse, and wars. I will keep you Susie, busy, make your head with heat, grow dizzy. Tear in eye, your dress will tear. So shall I. Oh, hear my prayer. Just compare heart, beard, and heard. Dice and diet, lord and ward, sword and sword, retain and retain. Now I surely will not plague you with such words as plague you as ague. But be careful how you speak. Say break and stake, but blake and strake, cloven, oven, how and low, script, receipt, show, palm and toe. Hear me say, devoid of tricky, daughter, laughter, and tripsicore, typhoid, measles, topsails, icels, excels, similes, and reviles, scholar, vicar, and kigar, solar, mica, war, and far, one, anemone, balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel, Gertrude, German, wind, and mine. Sin, melpomene, mankind, ballet does not rhyme with ballet. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, chalet, blood and flood are not like food, nor is mood like should and would. Viscous, viscount, load and broad, toward, to forward, to reward. And your pronunciation's okay when you correctly say croquet, rounded, wounded, grieve and sheaf. Friend and fiend, alive and live, ivy, frivy, famous clamor, and enamor rhyme with hammer. River, rival, tomb, bomb, come, doll and roll, and some and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with clangor. Souls but fall, hunt but aunt, font, front, want, grant and grant. Shoes, Gus, does, now first say finger, and then singer, ginger, linger. Real, zeal, mauve, gauze, gog, and gog. Marriage, foliage, mirage, and age. Carry does not rhyme with very, nor does furry sound like bury. Dust, last, post, and dot, cloth, lot. Job, knob, bosom, transom, oath. Though the differences seem little, we say actual but victual. Refer does not rhyme with differ. Fever does and zipper, heifer. Mint, pen, senate, and sedate. Dull, ball, and George at 8 late. Scenic, Arabic, Pacific. Science, conscience, scientific. Liberty, library, heaven. Rachel 8, must 8, 11. We say hallowed but allowed. People, leopard, towed but vowed. Mark the differences moreover between mover, cover, clover. Liches, breeches, wise, precise, chalice, but police and lease. Camille, constable, unstable, principal, disciple, label. Petal, panel, and canal. Wait, surprise, plate, promise, pal. Worm and storm. Chase, chaos, chair, senator, spectator, mayor. Tor, but are and succor, for, gas, alas, and Arkansas. Sea, idea, Korea, area. Sa, Maria, but malaria. Youth, south, southern, cleans and clean. Doctrine, turpentine, marine. Compare alien with Italian, dandelion and battalion. Sally with Ali, ye, I, way, and K. Say ever but ever, fever. Neither, leisure, skin, deceiver. Heron, granary, canary, revise and devise and airy. Face but preface, not efface. Pelmatic, as, glass, bus. Large but target, gene, give, virgin. Out, joust, and scar, scourging, ear but ear, and wear and tear. Do not rhyme with here but ear. 7 is right, but so is even. Hyphen, roughen, nephew, Stephen. Monkey, donkey, torque, and jerk. Ask, grasp, wasp, and cork, and work. Pronunciation is appalling, stout with spike and spiky. Won't it make you lose your wits? Writing grows and saying grits. It's a dark abscess or tunnel. Slington and Isle of Wight. Housewife, Vidic and Indic. Finally, with rhymes with enough. Though, throw, blow, and dough, and or cough. Hiccough has the sound of cup. My advice is to give up. Thank you.